Senate Bill 276, an act relating to Medicaid coverage for sickle cell disease.
Senator from Scott.
I yield to the senator from Jefferson 33 for action on the bill.
Senator from Jefferson 33.
Thank you, Mr. President. Senate Bill 276 requires the Cabinet for Health and Family Services to conduct an annual review of all medications, services, and treatments available within Medicaid for individuals living with sickle cell disease. The purpose is to determine if the available covered medications, treatments, and services are adequate to meet the needs of enrollees with a diagnosis of sickle cell disease, and to see if there's a recommendation that additional medication, treatments, or services are appropriate. The Cabinet's review would require input from persons or groups in Kentucky with knowledge in the area of sickle cell disease treatment. And finally, Senate Bill 276 would require Health and Family Services to submit an annual report of its findings and recommendations to the Legislative Research Commission for distribution. Would you ask the clerk to report Senate Floor Amendment number 1?
Mr. Clerk, would you please report Senate Floor Amendment number 1?
Senate Floor Amendment number 1 to Senate Bill 276.
Senator from Jefferson 33.
Thank you, Mr. President. The Senate Floor Amendment number 1 simply indicates that this particular legislation may be cited as Emily's Law. And Emily Bass was a legislative page who served here, who had sickle cell disease and passed as a result of that, and thought it would be fitting to honor her with this particular legislation. With that being said, I would move that this be adopted.
Matter for the body is adoption of Senate Floor Amendment number 1. All in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Ayes have it. Senate Floor Amendment number 1 is adopted. Senator from Jefferson 33.
Thank you, Mr. President. The intent of this bill is to ensure that we as a Commonwealth take a more active role in improving care for those living with sickle cell disease. If there aren't any questions, I move passage of Senate Bill 276 as amended by Senate Floor Amendment number 1.